This is just one of the things in a broader sense as to what the lawyer does for you. If you're an accident victim, you have an attorney. While you are in the process of recuperating, while you're going to the doctor, while you're getting better, the question is, what does the attorney do? Right? We get all kinds of mistakes that occur, and we try to correct those things. Now, when we move along, I send letters, just as another example of things that go on, to employers. And I say, how much time did the employee lose from their job, and what were their earnings, and we have all that information documented. And sometimes these letters come back, and the responses are just nonsensical. They missed 2 weeks of work, and they lost $20,000. Well, there's a mistake in there. Clearly, there's a mistake, unless they make $10,000 a week, which they don't. That's somebody who perhaps made $10 an hour. So, their Mickey Mouse calculator didn't give them the right number. But this is the kind of thing where you need to have this corrected. We go all extremes to make sure that when we send documentation to an insurance company, it's 100% correct. Continuing on, just small little things that, we help clients with. They're not working because of their injury. So as a result of not working, money's not coming in to the family. As a result of money not coming in, now they have potential for problems with their employer that wants to fire them. So we might, the money not coming in, I was getting ahead of myself. The money not coming in, they might have problems paying rent. So many, many times I've called up landlords and tried to explain to them what's going on and tried to suggest to them that we can assist them by holding back money at the end of the settlement and to pay arrearages and rent for the individual if that needs be. I talked about the employer a moment ago where I said I got ahead of myself. Sometimes because you're not working, the employer wants to let you go. Okay, you need to be there to do your job. The employer is relying upon you to do your job. So the question is, what can I do to save my job? The answer might be nothing. They have a right to hire and they have a right to fire unless you have actually an employment contract. But often a call from an attorney can be persuasive, it can be helpful, and we've saved the day for many, many clients in making sure that their job is saved. Continue on. What else does an attorney do while you're getting better? Well, okay, you don't have health insurance and you don't have money, but you need surgery. Many, many, many of the hospital facilities and outpatient facilities where these types of procedures are done require payment up front.
Okay.
They want insurance cards. They want to know that they're going to be paid. And, you don't have the money, so what do you do? Okay. Again, intervention sometimes from an attorney. We can arrange to sign papers. We can arrange to take care of certain things that will allow for us to see that our client is getting the necessary medical attention. This is just a few of the things that we do in the course of a representative day in working with a client. There are more. There's a never-ending battle with things that happen negatively because you're injured, because you don't have money, and I believe that your attorney should be a resource. I believe that your attorney should be the one that is there to try to get you the help that you need or to help you. I have made referrals to agencies. I've made referrals to other lawyers that have specialties or concentrations in their practice and expertise in areas that I don't. So when you come into the office, you have an attorney who's helping you with a temporary or perhaps even a permanent life-changing event. I would suggest to you folks that attorney is the starting point to try to help you with all the negative fallout from all of the things that has happened.